This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. Today, I try to fulfill as many of the Yeezy orders as possible. I'm still missing a bunch of sizes that have yet to come in, but I'm still really amazed at how quickly these are going. But I do want to talk about a different slide. Is this considered a slide? I mean, you technically like slide your foot in, right? About a week and a half ago, Forever 21 had some sort of big sale. We were able to get these for around $15 each, but they are selling for anywhere between $30 to $40 each. So it was a no-brainer. I went ahead and purchased it, and worst case scenario, I would just return it if it doesn't work out. But that might not be necessary because I received my first sale for them, and hopefully we can keep it going. Today, SB Dunk's dropping. However, stock is going to be super high, so not entirely too sure about this as far as how well it's going to sell for. Oh my god, wait, I actually didn't cop. What the hell? Wait, these were actually hard to get. Let's see if we have any better luck with the trophy room. Even getting one of these will net us a few $100s. However, to be honest, I really don't think bots are gonna work. I'm also gonna be entering on my phone just in case. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. No, don't do this to me. No. Okay, next we are going for Supreme jerseys. These should be a lot easier. I went out of stock immediately. What the f? Well, back to fulfilling orders. Sold my last Owala bottle and sold a bunch more slides. These Foam Runner MX Granite's also arrived, but my goodness, the resale prices for foam runners are just not looking good. I personally think these are beautiful, but I suppose the demand just isn't there. Someone might make the argument, oh, it's because stock numbers are too high. Well, you can say the same about the slides. They're still in stock at this point, but they're still selling like hotcakes. Today, more Yeezys came in. This is just one of the few things I don't like about reselling, is that sometimes your whole area is just filled with shoes. I suppose it's a good problem to have every so often. Since the Yeezys did come in, I was able to fulfill some pre-orders for the Yeezy Salts, sold a few of those, as well as another 2 sales for the Hello Kitty slippers. Today was just selling. Made a bulk sale for the slides to a sneaker store for slightly less than how much I would have sold them for if I sold them individually on eBay. And I also have a few individual sales as well. Every single size for the salts are still in stock, so every so often I just keep buying more and more. Buying these are somewhat tedious though, if I'm being honest. I can do about 2 checkouts every 2 to 4 minutes. I kind of wish they just let us bot this thing, man. This whole 1x1 checkout thing is not cutting it. Sold about 40% of my metallic Jordan 4s and sold my very last Foamposite. As for the bad news, my other buyer who was supposed to buy the rest of my Jordan 4 white metallics kind of flaked. So I gotta find another buyer before the return window closes, but that's about 2 months, so we do have a little bit of time. Hopefully we can get these off our hands. Today is Air Max Day. Usually Air Max days are pretty boring, however today is very busy. First up, we have the Nike Air Max 1 86 OG Big Bubble dropping on Nike Sneakers app, so we are going to be botting this. And then later on, GOAT is going to be dropping some heat. But first, let's see what we get with this upcoming drop. No. Bro, no checkouts. GOAT is going to be dropping hella Air Maxes, and I'm gonna be going for all of these basically. The one that I got my sights on in particular are these Off-White Air Maxes for obvious reasons. I should expect to hopefully get at least 1 or 2 checkouts by the end of the day. From this GOATS event, the first one is going to be the Silver Bullet 97s. They're only selling it for $100, which is a steal, and you should be able to get anywhere from $150 to $180. So let's give it a try. Okay, so it's not about speed. I just gotta get lucky. Oh my god, no shot, bro. I won. Let's go. The first one. Thank goodness. Time for the main attraction, the Off-White Air Max 90s. Alright. Huh? What do you mean sold out? Oh. Okay, okay. It works now. Tap to move him. So, bruh. So I made a bulk sale for all of the foam runners that I have in hand right now. So gonna go ahead and pack these up and get these shipped out today. Perfect timing, because when I got back, this was at my doorstep. A combination of Onyx slides, salt slides, and a couple of foam runners. This section of my living room is once again full, but not too full because some of these were pre-orders that I do need to fulfill. This Yeezy situation is amazing. Lots of inventory in and out the door just like that. Today we have the Mason Margiela x Supreme collaboration. If there's anything that I've learned going for Supreme throughout this past season, it's that you actually have to take it seriously. Not just something you could set up 1 or 2 tasks for, because things will sell out extremely fast. Let's get to it.
Brother, what's that, brother?
Oh, I caught. Oh my god, I got the f***ing varsity jacket. What? Well, that was a bit of a flop. At least I got something, I suppose. Either way, this drop was incredibly hard, and I wish I paid more attention. Didn't expect the queue to build up as fast as I did, so I ended up starting my tasks a little bit too late. I'm just gonna fulfill my slide orders, and yeah. On the bright side, towards the evening, more slides arrived. Today, I was just fulfilling slide orders, but this time I got a slide that came in that looks like it has bird poop on it. I don't know if it's actual bird poop, probably just ink. Tried to rub it off, but it didn't exactly do much. So I'll have to sell this at a discount. Just another day of packing orders, including a Hello Kitty slipper. And the next day, these are the last 2 sales of the month. March has been absolutely incredible. We've made over $1,400 in profit, and that's not all, because as you can see, I still have a ton of inventory behind me that is ready to be sold. Hopefully they drop more Yeezys because I can't get enough of them. Such an easy way to make money. I honestly can't believe that a lot of people slept on these, saying they were bricks or they're in stock for too long, but it doesn't matter. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.